So I've just stripped these carbs and cleaned them up for the gsxr. I've put them in the ultrasonic cleaner. I've used some old solution that was in it. I'm going to swap it out for some new solution and I'll stick them in there again and see if they come up a bit cleaner. These jets, they're still dirty. I would have hoped that they would have cleaned up. I think it's just a solution. Certainly looking a damn sight better than what they were. So these bowls, they're all clogged up. Lots of mank and filth in there. No wonder the bike was running so rough. Put these in the cleaner as well. They've come up nice and clean. And I've given the bike a bit of a clean up. So I've just cleaned that engine block up there. The HT leads, the coils, the wiring and things like that. Giving the frame a bit of a clean up just before I take the engine out. So I'll dump the engine ready for doing some work on that. Just clean the grease off the front wheel and the forks. The stanchion on this side was a little bit wet, so I'm probably going to have to change that seal out. Both the wheels are going to be painted on the bike, so they're going to be a different colour to match the scheme that I'm going to be doing the bike. You see, someone's done a lovely job of polishing up the frame. The clock mount's obviously being done on a budget. Very dangerous. So that wants removing and a new clock mount making. But I'll do that when I get the new fairings. Got a Yoshi tailpipe on it. The headers are looking a bit worse for wear, mind. So I purchased this bike off eBay. It was just a track bike. It had those crappy fairings on it. They're tatty, cracked. There's been a hole cut out the top fairing for a GoPro. So they're no good. Apart from the tail piece, that's the wrong tail unit for this anyway. It wants the original SRAD one. So I'm going to buy a brand new set of SRAD fairings for the bike. And I have an absolutely awesome paint scheme in mind for this bike. And obviously, if people have seen what I did with the gsxr750 3MA, you'll know that I'll do something special with this bike too. So the bike does need a lot of work to be ready to race. So I thought it would be pretty awesome to document it. I thought it'd be good for people to see from me buying this bike off eBay to getting it ready to be raced. So last year I painted my gsxr750 3MA. I took it to Oliver's Mount to do the parade, the Barry Sheene festival. I never got to do the parade. Apparently I had the wrong clothing. I didn't have leathers, I had textiles. But then I found out later that I could have done it in my textiles, but it was too late by then. Anyway, I watched the racing. I had a good drink in the beer tent and I had a great time anyway. So this year I thought it would be great to build a classic superbike because I really enjoyed watching the classic superbikes. I thought I'd get an 750 SRAD and build it, and it just so happens that I do know someone that races. In fact, I know a few people that race, but I do know this particular lad that I want to build the bike for, and I want him in particular to race this bike. So this year I'm going to be going back to Oliver's Mount. I'm going to take the gsxr750 3MA and I'm going to do the parade. And I'm also going to have a friend of mine race the 750 in the classic superbikes. And also, what I've not told you is, I actually come away from Oliver's Mount last year and I actually got talking to the directors and they offered me the job of arranging this year's Barry Sheene event. So I best get my finger out with that one as well. Well, not arranging it, doing some organising. But I've given him some ideas. I've had a couple of meetings with him. I've given him some ideas for it already. And I'm going to be looking at some more ideas and getting some things together for the event. So yeah, this year should be a good year at Oliver's Mount. I'm looking forward to it. So a little video for you there. It's getting late. I'm absolutely knackered. That's why I look shattered. Um, grafting all the time, flat out working on my own projects and customers' projects, and I need to catch up. I had a bit of time out over Christmas. I was ill after Christmas for a couple of weeks. So it's amazing how much a couple of weeks can knock you back. And I've had things, a couple of jobs go wrong, like you do. Got a problem with a car I'm doing, which I've now managed to fix, so I can now get the car back in and out when I need to do work on it. And I'm just trying to pull projects together. Anyway, back to the Classic Superbike project. If anyone is interested in giving us any form of sponsorship this year, we would very much appreciate it. I'm going to get this bike built, and I'm going to get it ready and up to a level where it'll be ready to race for the first race, which we're aiming for Oliver's Mount this year. What we'd be looking for in regards to sponsorship would be any businesses that are interested in sponsoring us so we can go on to do further racing in the year. And we'll put your name on the bike and on our jackets, of course, and give you as much exposure as possible on YouTube and TikTok. My TikTok does really well, to be honest. I get a lot of hits on TikTok. A lot more than YouTube at the moment, but I'm hoping it's going to take off. I'm predicting that if I have this bike right, I'm predicting it's on me to have this bike right. I'm predicting that we're going to have some really good results this year, because the lad that's going to ride this bike, he can ride. And in comparison to other riders, he can ride. He really can ride. And this is actually a massive sponsorship opportunity, because this bike's going to look awesome. And if we turn up on this shoestring budget and pull out some amazing results and get loads of exposure, it's going to be pretty cool, I think. So yeah, there's our eBay Classic Superbike. It will be a Classic Superbike when I've finished with it. And again, anyone that's watching and might be interested in a sponsorship opportunity, this will be a really good one. It will. So that's me signing off ski. It's time to lock up the garage and have some tea. So I'll see you in another video.